All right, so tell us what you learned today in science. No?
Cat, seals with tail. People use muscles. Octopus releases air from his tummy, and he can
Squeezes it out.
yeah. And then bumblebee, kind of with his
Bumblebee?
we're not gonna find because he settles down.
Oh, his wings move because the muscle in his thorax contracts.
And then fish. I don't know how to be with it.
Tell me, fish, what direction do their tails move in? Side to side.
Whales, it moves like this.
Good.
And then what is this one?
Oh, inchworm.
Inchworm. It crawls. Don't put that on YouTube.
And then what is
Gastropod.
gastropod? What does gastro mean?
One.
Almost.
Tummy.
Tummy. And pod?
Feet.
Feet. So why would they name him stomach foot?
Because his stomach is a foot.
Ah.
And crocodile
How does he move?
with his feet in the water.
What does ducks move with their webbed feet? What makes a crocodile move really fast?
The tail.
Exactly. Good job. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Yay! Another lesson is done.